How you doing? 5 Photoshop platform tips and tricks for today. Let's go. Number 1. You know when you create a new file and you start working and then you realize, oh my, I want to create a new artboard, but there's no artboard here. I didn't create any artboard. So now you start panicking, you don't know what to do, you start grouping stuff, you don't even know what you're doing, and you're like, I just want a new artboard. I can't make another artboard if I don't even have an artboard, right? So now you have to close the file so you can start another one, make sure there are artboards in there. Don't do that. Let me show you how to fix it. So go over to layers option and go to new. In fact, before you do all that, make sure you select every every layer in there, okay? Every layer is selected. You see that? Now you can go to layer, new, new. Come on now, layer, new, and then artboard from layers. You click this, and then you can name the artboard whatever you want to name it. Click OK, and now you have a new artboard, and then you could collapse it like that and start working just like so. The second tip is, you know how we like creating smart objects sometimes? For example, let's just maybe pick this group here. Let's see. Okay, maybe we just right click and then convert to smart object like that. And then, you know, we keep working, we keep doing stuff, you know, and then later we're like, I wish this wasn't a smart object because now I want to work on it, you know, in just regular layers because I don't want to double click, go to smart object, come back. I don't want that. I just wish this was undone like that, you know, and you know, you're already too late. You cannot control Z like that. Can't do that. And now you start panicking. You don't know what you do. So you got to cope with it. No, don't worry. You don't need to cope with it. What you're going to do is right click, go over and find convert to layers right there. Convert to layers. Watch this. Boom. Now it's back to layers, right? There it is right there. You see? Now you can go back and do whatever you wanted to do and everything is back to layers and not smart object. Tip number 3. Let's say you want to put an image here, right? Instead of this one. You want to place it exactly where this one is. You want to use the same features and the same effect, everything. You just, all you want to do is just change the image, but keep everything else, right? Just remove this one and replace it with another one. Now, I know how people sometimes, you know, they'll be panicking and they'll go the long way, go try to import the image and try to blend it in and remove that one. You know, it's a lot of process. You don't have to do that, okay? All you got to do is click the image, go over the layers and find it. There it is. Let's see. That's it. And right click, go over to replace image. Where is it? Show me. There it is. Replace content, actually. Click on replace content. And now you can go and find whatever image that you want. Just for example, I'm just going to pick anyone like this one and then say place. Now take a look at this. Take a look at this. This layer's effect and everything else is applied directly to the new image, but the other image is not there. Okay, but you see, even the mask is applied over there and everything is applied there except the image is not there. It's been replaced, right? So now I can even close the mask, just shift click like that. And you see everything else is still applied though, you know, and I could work it up like that. You see, replace content. Very good, very nice. It's still editable, by the way. It's just like that. And you see, I could do all that, you know. All I did is just replace the image. So that helps so much, right? Now, some of you are like, wow, I really needed that. Yes, I know. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's continue. Tip number 4, selections. Remember how you've been taught to select using the layers panel, right? For example, let's say we want to maybe select the text, like all of this text and kind of move them, I don't know, move them up a little bit. So now you click the text, maybe, you know, you hold control, by the way, and then you select this one, you select that one, you select that one, by the way, I'm just selecting here, and then now you come over here, and then now you move it slightly up like that, or to the left, wherever you trying to move it, right? Well, guess what? That's a little confusing. As you can see, I have to see here which I'm clicking and not even sure which one. I don't, it's not very, smooth working. Okay, it's not nice. So Control Z to go back. And then let's just click away to make sure that nothing is clicked. Now, check this out. If I want to move text, if I want to select text that I want to move, okay, I'm going to just select it from here. Right? This time, I'm not going to use Control because Control is only for panels, okay? Over the artboard, you use Shift, okay? I'm going to click the soccer here, and then I'm going to hold Shift, click the player, and then again, I'm still holding Shift, click the try me, you see? And then whatever. I'm going to come up here on portfolio, click and move, you see? That now all of them are moving. So I can select inside the canvas with ease, okay? And I can select directly at whatever I want to select, okay? Instead of coming into layers and trying to figure out which one is it, try to read, that's gonna be wasting your time. Tip number 5, you're gonna love this one. You know how sometimes you wanna like turn off some things, just, the visibility, just turned off, just cause maybe you just wanna see how it looks like without all this text, just, like this, right? But then you see all this click, 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 it's a lot. Look at that. It's a lot. Like it takes a long time to do this, right? Well, guess what? There's a way to just untoggle this quickly off, right? Check this out. You're just gonna click and hold, okay? Left click and hold. Left click and hold, and then drag like that. See? All gone, okay? Even if you want to, return them on. Why am I talking like this today? I'm sorry. You want to toggle them back on. Do the same thing. Click and hold, and then just move to wherever you want to, turn on like that, okay? You see? Nice. Quickly. You love that one, right? Good. With that being said, thank you for watching. Put a like, put a share, put a subscription. There are more interesting videos just like this on my channel. And click on that video over there to see more tips and tricks. Ring that bell icon to make sure you get notified every time I post a video. And with that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a school.